Alright guys, so Minecraft finally have ray tracing for Bedrock edition, and you guys are probably wondering how to actually get that. So in this video guys, I will tell you how to get the Minecraft ray tracing version of Minecraft in Bedrock edition for Windows 10, and this is only gonna be for Windows 10, okay? It's not gonna be for Xbox One or PlayStation. It's only gonna be for Windows 10 Bedrock edition. So yeah. Alright guys, so obviously the first thing is going to be to have Minecraft on your Windows 10. So it's not about the Java edition guys, okay? I'm talking about the Windows 10 Bedrock edition. And once you have that, you want to go to the store and download the Xbox Insider app. So just go to the store and download that app. And why we need to download this app is because it's actually important thing, because without that we can't have Windows 10 ray tracing. So just go to the Minecraft store, and again you need to have Minecraft Windows 10 edition. So I'm just going to go to my library and show you that I actually have Minecraft for Windows 10, and it's right here. I'm talking about this one, Minecraft Windows 10. You need to have that, okay? And there are ways to get Minecraft ray tracing on Java edition. So you guys can find those videos all over in the internet, because you don't need to have to be a beta tester for that. So also guys, you need to update the game as well if you haven't updated it yet, okay? And now I'm just going to show you guys what Insider app is. So I'm just going to search Insider, and you will find this application called Xbox Insider, okay? So basically we're going to join the beta program using this Xbox Insider hub, and a lot of people already know how to do that. So if you're one of those people, you can skip the step. And now once you have Xbox Insider app installed, you need to open that, and you need to go to Insider section. I'm going to tell you. And also guys, there's a website we can show you what devices are supported. And once you guys are into the Insider hub, you need to join the Insider program, accept that, and then you need to go to Insider program. That's gonna be right here. Insider content. And once you're in the Insider content, you need to click on Minecraft. It's going to be the first one, and then you need to click on join, and it might take about an hour or less than that to join. Sometime it's just like instantly, but for me it took me an hour, and it was saying pending, and after that it worked. And once it's done, you need to restart the Insider app, and you need to go to Insider content again, choose Minecraft, and you will see two options, manage and view in store. So click on manage, choose the Minecraft ray tracing version, click done, and now show in store. And also you might need to reinstall the whole game. So I already did the reinstallation, like I installed the Minecraft game and installed it again, and then you can simply go ahead and launch the game. And on top you will see that you're gonna be in a beta version of Minecraft ray tracing, okay? And the most important thing here is you need to back up all of your world, literally any world that you have. You need to back up everything. You see on top it says ray tracing version. If I go to settings, I will get advanced video option. That is actually for ray tracing and stuff like that. So there's like smooth lighting, all the stuff. And when I click here, you see this feature is only available for ray tracing capable world, okay? It's not about that I don't have ray tracing card. I'm using RTX card right now, but the thing is I don't have ray tracing world in it. So you guys can either create your own ray tracing resource pack, or you can just simply grab one of them from the marketplace, and you can have those resource pack. Like on the marketplace there's a lot of them. You guys might need to search for them, like look for them on the internet, which one have ray tracing, and get one of them, and you will be able to play ray tracing. But on your own world you can't play it, okay? And again guys, I'm saying you need to have backup, like you need to back up all of your world before you even do this, okay? Because you're gonna lose every single thing, every world, every single save file you're gonna lose after you do that. So remember that. So this is how you can get ray tracing, guys. And I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you do find this video useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.